So you're done knitting your project and you want to get your stitches off the needles. If you're thinking you can't just slide them off, then you're absolutely right. You need to do a technique called casting off or binding off. They're the same technique, just different names. And stay tuned to the very end. I'm going to run this technique back in slow motion for anyone who finds that helpful. There are many ways to do this, but I'm going to show you a common technique that is simple but beautiful. One thing to keep in mind when binding off is a lot of cast on and bind off methods go well together. So if you use the long tail cast on method, this bind off is a great match for that. All right, let's get started. If you have one, I would grab a needle that is one size bigger than the one you were just knitting with, because this can run a little tight. If you don't have one, totally okay. So let's start by knitting 2 stitches just like normal. Now we're going to bring this first stitch up over this second one and drop it off the needle. So just slip it in. You want to go left to right, pick it up and pull it over and just drop it. So now we just have one left. Now we're going to knit 1 stitch, and you'll see how easy this is in a second. And then again, take this first stitch, drop it up over and off the needle. And it's totally fine if you need to use your fingers to help that 1 stitch stay in place. And if you are using bamboo needles like I am, you can use the friction of the needles to help kind of, when you can sort of drag the needles against each other, and that'll help that 1 stitch stay on. Now we are working up to our last stitch. So we knit that one, and then we have no more stitches left on our left hand needle. And we're going to do the same move. We take that first stitch and drop it over. And then you're going to take a scissors and cut this loose from your skein of yarn, and make sure you leave a good amount of tail, because you'll want to weave that in when you're all finished. Now tug up just a little bit so that you make that stitch nice and loose, and then grab the tail through it and pull tight. And there you have your bind off. Okay, now you are ready to weave in your ends, and I'll have a video linked for you in the description on how to do that. And now here's some slow-mo video if you are still having a little bit of trouble.